it'll help the biscuit to rise up, whereas the biscuit could go outwards if it's too far away from each other. I'll press down again. And at this time, you guys could, I have some egg wash up here. You can put some egg wash on the top. This will give it its nice golden brown color. You want to be careful about not having the egg wash drop down, because do you guys know why that might happen? Or what it would do to the layers?
Stick?
Yeah, the layers wouldn't be able to expand properly, so they'll just all stick together and kind of stay deflated. Okay.
Is your egg wash just egg?
My egg wash is egg, milk, and a little bit of water. I know everybody has a little different egg wash. Okay, and also very important, once you guys have done this all, you want to push your layers in, and it's okay if they look kind of rustic. It's better to do that than kind of go back, like in pie dough, you form it back together into a ball, because those layers that we had rolled out will get all messed up again. Okay. Just one more. Okay. And that is it. So we can put this aside. I'll let whoever has this method can go around with that. So we can put this. I'm just going to wash my hands. Okay. Oh, and also with your manual, I don't know if I explained this before, you guys would be writing some of these steps down, kind of revising, rethinking your notes from last time from when we were researching and experimenting. So I'll just kind of put this over to the side now. Yes. Next, we're going to do cleansing. We're all going to be doing small sizes of stuff so it can bake faster. So whoever gets the biscuit can use this. Okay. Again, you're going to have all of your ingredients mise en place on the side. We're going to sift our dry ingredients, our flour, baking powder, and salt.
Chef, do you know?
I'm okay for now. Thank you.
I'll be the Carluccio. Try that.
Okay, so we'll sift these again. And we're adding air again. Okay.
If there's not enough sifters, is there any other way to sift
Yes,
it?
I did bring I brought extra equipment, so you guys can share. I wasn't sure. I think there's only one in here. So we'll keep that to the side. Now in this bowl, Frank kindly melted some butter. Now do you know why this has melted butter, and when we're creaming there is like sticks of butter? Do you know what the difference is? Yeah.
You don't want to have lumps.
Yep, yes. And also this helps to tenderize the product, but also give it that feeling and texture. Okay. So we'll have our melted butter. And we're going to put in our scaled out sugar. Our recipe calls for 2 eggs. Right. And a little bit of vanilla, which I have up here. I'll just pretend. Okay.
Chef,
Yes.
if we have vanilla bean, would we add that now?
Yes, you would. So you can mix this up together. Make sure you get all the sides. Okay, so we'll kind of have like a grainier texture. Okay, that's what you guys are looking for. Okay, now we're going to add in our dry ingredients. A little at a time. And also at this point you just could start folding in like chocolate chips or blueberries. I wanted to get you guys blueberries, but they didn't come in. You would want to make sure if any frozen fruit you would dip it in the flour that you measured beforehand, because those frozen fruit are pierced by the ice crystals, so it'll bleed. And then also, if we dip it into the flour that we measured, it won't add too much flour, which will make it too dense. You could also use a mixer. I just thought this would be best for today, just so you guys can get that feel of how it should be.
Use all the senses, as
Yes.
it were.
Oh, and our milk includes that. And this is okay if it's lumpy. We just don't want to over mix it, so it's totally fine if you feel like you have some lumps in your batter. Okay, so it's a little lumpy. It's okay. All right. For the most part, you want to get most of it out, but some is okay. Now with that, I have a bunch of mini muffin pans for you guys.
Oh.
So we'll just take some of the batter.
And eat it.
Yes.
Just kidding.
And then you guys can drop it into your mixture. You put about quarters to almost like that. And do you guys know what, if we didn't have muffin baking cups, do you guys know what we could use? Yes, baking spray. Just make sure you really spray it down. Fill that up. Okay. So, and somebody can use this if they want, if they like it. And you could also put some sugar on the top. Sprinkle it with sugar. Okay. This. And now I'm just going. Again, we're going to sift that air in there. We're using all-purpose flour. You can also use pastry flour if you want.